Morning friends. To remove additional account or additional operating system, you have to first go my computer and system properties. After that you have to go advanced system setting and startup and recovery. System startup, system failure and debugging information, advanced setting. Go to advanced setting and choose the default system. If you have installed many of operating system, then you can choose one of the operating system as you wish. In my computer there is only one operating system, Windows 7. Then I select Windows 7. You can also set the time from here, 31, 32, 34. This is the startup time of the operating system. If there is only one operating system, then this startup time is not important, because Windows 7 is default operating system and is loaded by default. If there is many of operating system, then this startup time is very important. If you are select this startup time before 0, more than 0, then this is important. You should have need that this startup time is more than 30 seconds. This is very less, 30 seconds, but it is important. Then okay and okay, and you have another option, that is first press start button plus R and type here msconfig and press OK. Then a msconfig tab open on your system, then select service tab, boot tab, and select the default operating system in your system. And if there is if there are more than operating system, then you can delete the operating system by simply click and delete. This is delete option, and you can delete from here. But here only one operating system, then this is default operating system, and you can okay. Thank you for please leave comments and for subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.